In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a pending order on Robinhood using their website. Whether you've made a mistake, changed your mind, or simply want to adjust your trading strategy, knowing how to cancel a pending or queued order is an essential skill for managing your investments effectively. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, making sure that you don't miss anything along the way. Let's begin by signing in to your Robinhood account. Head over to the Robinhood website and enter your login credentials as you normally would. It's important to make sure that you're accessing the official site, especially when you're dealing with sensitive financial information. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you can view your portfolio and recent activity. Next, navigate to the account page. You can usually find the account tab either on the bottom right of the screen or at the top, depending on your browser and screen size. Clicking on the Account tab will bring up a menu with various options for managing your profile and viewing your account details. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the History section. The History page is where Robinhood keeps a record of all your recent transactions, orders, dividends, and transfers. This is extremely helpful for keeping track of your activity and ensuring everything is in order. Within the History section, you'll find a section labeled Refine Results. Here you can filter your past actions to make it easier to locate the specific order you want to cancel. Click on the drop-down menu marked Type, then select Orders from the list that appears. After choosing Orders, be sure to click the Search button so the system can filter and display all your past and current orders for you. Now browse through the list of orders and find the specific order you wish to cancel. Click on that particular order to open up its details. This screen will provide you with more information about the order, such as the status, security, and quantity. If the order is still pending or queued, you should see a Cancel Order button on this page. It's important to remember that once an order has already been executed or filled, you will not be able to cancel it. Pending or queued orders, however, can still be modified. When you're ready, click on the Cancel Order button. A prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm your decision. Make sure to review the details carefully, and when you're certain, confirm the cancellation. That's it! Your order should now be cancelled and you'll receive a notification confirming the change. If you have any trouble finding your order, or if the cancel option isn't available, double check the order status, as filled orders cannot be reversed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the cancellation process clear and straightforward for you.